to your view trending news update from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Adeboye demands release of detained TikToker, Disowns group behind arrest. Shop's vehicle wrecked in fresh tanker explosion in Niger State. Now the news in detail. The General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, has called for the release of popular TikToker Olumide Ogunsanwo, popularly known as C King, who was arrested by the police and arraigned in court for criticizing the cleric on social media. The Reverend cleric, however, distanced himself from the arrest, stating that he was not aware of the incident or those responsible for it. In a TikTok post shared in December 2024, C King criticized Adeboye for urging people to fast for 100 days for Nigeria, describing the directive as stupid. However, the concerned youth forum were displeased by the post and petitioned Lagos State Police Command, which led to C King's arrest in December, sparking widespread outrage on social media. However, in a viral video seen by Sunday Punch on Saturday, Adeboye clarified that he was not involved in the TikToker's arrest and did not know those behind it. In response, a YouTube video shared on Friday shows the convener of the Christian Forum, James Adama, admitted that the group was behind C King's arrest, claiming it was in response to the growing menace of cyber harassment against respected religious leaders. He said, "This is to inform the general public that Ogunsanwo has been arrested and will be charged in court for his unprovoked, distasteful and disrespectful insults directed at the Reverend Christian leader." In other news, a gas tanker explosion in Sabo Wuse, located in the Tafa local government area of Niger State, has resulted in significant damage to numerous vehicles, shops, and food supplies, prompting business owners to assess their losses. NaijaNews understand that the gas explosion occurred at approximately 11 p.m. on Saturday, when a gas tanker was discharging its contents at a filling station. The Director General of Niger State Emergency Management Agency, Nasema Abdullahi Baba Ara, verified the occurrence in a statement on Sunday, noting that although there were no fatalities, the extent of the destruction was considerable. According to eyewitness report, the ensuing fire rapidly spread, affecting a nearby petrol station and consuming several shops and parked vehicles. A local resident of Sabon Wuse, Musa Aliu, characterized the incident as horrifying. The fire was so intense that it flamed could be seen from different parts of the town. People ran out of their homes in fear. "We thank Allah that no one was injured, but the destruction is huge," he said. Firefighters reached the location after several hours. However, the blaze had already destroyed significant assets by that time. In the aftermath, residents have called on authorities to enforce more stringent safety measures for gas and petrol stations to avert future incidents. For more news updates and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.